Easy installation with 3M adhesive tape. No wiring, no drilling, no punching needed, no harm to your car. Just stick the flat side of the light on the bottom edge of the car door, and stick the magnet on the door sill. Personalize detail your car interior. Bright and clear image. Using latest high-definition chips, a bright and cool Chevrolet logo will be projected to the floor when the car door is opened, and it will be turned off automatically when door closed. It will make your car more special and more eye-catching. Works as a door warning lights. When you open the car door, the lighted Y Chevrolet image on the road will shows the road condition to you. Meanwhile, alert the following passing by cars or bikes to motorbikes to be aware of the opened door. Brilliant move to protect you and your children, families, friends. Our wireless Chevrolet door logo lights projector is especially designed for auto modification fanciers. It will not destroy the original car appearance but bring more driving fun to you. Perfect gifts to husband, motor club friends, wife, father, son, friends, car fans, Christmas gift, New Year gift. One set of 2 pieces Chevrolet car door welcome lights for both driver and passenger side, 2 sets for 4 doors. It can be installed in both left and right doors. Top reviews from the United States. Happy with purchase. Bought this for my 2014 Silverado. It'll fit any make model, just have to use the 3M tape to tape projector to car door. Slightly difficult installing alone, had to lay across front seat at times to see where on door is flat won't get crunched into seat. Installed projector, closed door and got in the other side so I could see where to put the magnet when the door is closed. In the end, pretty easy to install and totally satisfied with product. Not blurry at all. I have a 3-lift kit too. Magnet works and shuts it off when door is closed. Probably going to buy more for my other cars.